Mm-hmm.
Okay, so today we'll talk about the agent. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so already talk about the Microsoft agent, and now we'll talk about the custom agent. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
for the custom agent, you can run the job at a time, run one job at a time through the agent. And there is a two type. One is a Microsoft hosted agent, and second is a self-hosted agent. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so on here, go to the agent pool. In the agent pool, we have, this is a default pool. Okay, this is a,
Mm-hmm.
I create this Azure pipeline. I create some time before. Okay, so we want to create. I click this pool. Okay, now I already create this, so I need to delete. Okay, no problem. So on, go on here. Okay, agent.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is offline. Now on here we have created the new agent.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we have on here, we have, you want to create the Windows, you want to create the macOS, you want to create for the Linux. Okay, so there is a settings on here. Your system is 64-bit or 86, according
Mm-hmm.
you can download. Okay, so we have Windows system. Okay, so just I we download the file, remove. Okay, so first we need download the agent. This is it, download the software on here. Click on here. All this instruction given on here. You can see, create the agent.
How you
Okay,
install them? Okay.
yeah. Just I download this. Okay, so on
Windows
here,
one,
through the
64.
PowerShell,
Mm-hmm.
you can run this command.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so open the PowerShell, run as administrator. Okay, now download it. We need to download it. Okay, only download. No need to
Mm-hmm.
install this software. Okay, only download it. After that, we have run this command. First is mkdir agent. Okay, cd.
You have a spelling mistake in MKDIR. It is a E extra.
Correct, correct.
Mm-hmm.
Cd agent.
Mm-hmm. No, CD, you give the semicolon.
Cd agent,
Yeah,
mkdir agent.
yeah. You have to remove the semicolon.
Okay, this is a
Mm-hmm.
space.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now it will create the folder. So on here, go. Okay, now go to the C drive. C drive, and now create the folder. Just check the message, what the message is going on here. Okay, see Windows system. Okay, we need to set the path. Actually, this path from the C drive. Actually, I create the folder in the system 32. Okay, so we need to system 32. System 32. Where is window inside the Windows? System agent. Modify. that we need to delete.
We can create any location, right? Not
Yeah, we
to
can,
the system
but
under system 32. It's
yeah,
not
you can,
necessary.
yeah, you can create the
Mhm.
inside the system 32, but we want to some more things inside this, so we need to inside the C drive only,
Yeah. Okay.
that region. Okay, again I
It's okay.
CLS. Okay, CD backslash. Okay, CLS. Now, okay, now, okay. Now create folder inside the C drive on here. This is agent. Okay, empty folder. After that, we run this command. After that, we run this command. Okay, default agent. Okay, now run this command. This command is used for the compress. Okay, zip file from this path is on a download folder. Okay, so we have already mm, we have downloaded file in the download folder. Okay, make sure on file you are on the download folder, or according you can change the folder, then you can change the name on here. Okay,
Yeah.
home download something. Now copy. Okay, now check the folder. Okay, now this code unzip folder on this path.
Yeah.
Okay, that code, this download code from here, this folder.
Download folder.
Yeah, download folder.
System 32.
Yeah, system 32. Said no system on inside the C drive inside the agent folder.
Mhm.
Okay, now we configure the agent through this command. Then enter. Okay, so it is Angular pipeline. Okay, connect.
Mhm.
So we need to server URL. So we have server URL. What is the server URL we have? So inside the organizer setting, inside the organizer, we have this URL. You can copy from this URL also, from this,
Mhm.
because we have organizers on here till now. Okay, so
Mhm.
this is my
Mhm.
organizer name. This is URL we need on here. This is server name. Okay, so after server enter, we need to authenticate type. Press enter the pet. Okay,
Mhm.
press enter for pet. Okay,
Mhm. What is
so
pet?
yeah, this is a pet token. Just I show you where is pet.
Mhm.
Okay, so on here, go to the project and setting. This is a personal access token.
Okay.
Okay,
Personal. Okay. Mhm.
personal access token. So on here, this token will to generate, because we have multi. So you want to regenerate. So select this and regenerate. Regenerate. Okay, so I generate this token. Copy and go enter on here. Connecting server. Okay, so register agent, enter agent pool. Okay,
Hmm.
so we are selecting on here default pool. On here we have selecting the default pool. So go to the click. Okay, go. Okay, click, click, project setting, agent pool, and this is a default. We are selecting this default. Okay, from
Hmm.
this default. So if you default, then you can press enter for the default. Then enter. Press
Okay.
agent, enter the agent name. Press enter for the Chansekar because we have pool is Chansekar. Default pool default agent we have is Chansekar.
Hmm.
So Chansekar scanning for the tool capabilities. So pool default already contain the agent name is Chansekar. Please can replace or no? No. Okay, we are using same pool. Please enter agent name is Chansekar. Okay, pool default already contain agent name Chansekar. Enter the replace no.
Hmm.
Agent name Chansekar. Enter for the Chansekar. Pool default already contained. Okay, so okay, so replace no. Enter replace.
No.
Yes, no for n.
No. Yeah.
Okay. Enter the agent. Enter the run agent as a service. Means service means suppose service. Actually, this is a service on here. Service. Okay, this is service. When you deploy any things on the production, so this on here we have services running. You can see on here. This is a running. So only I am on here reading purpose or learning purpose. So we no need to run this service. Okay. Enter run agent as a service. No, we have no need. Correct.
Hmm.
Only for the learning purpose, I am thinking if you are running on the service, then you can enter the yes. Okay.
Okay.
Please configure auto login and run agent on startup. Okay. Okay. Auto login. Click on run agent on the startup. Okay. So it is saying that key we need to run the agent. So run agent is not running on here. So agent is not running. So we need to run this agent. So how to run this agent? On here we have command. On here we have command. This is through this command you can run this agent. Okay. You can see. You can see this is offline. Chansekar agent is
Hmm.
offline. You can see. Now I run this agent. I run this command through scanning for the tool capabilities. Listening for the job. Connecting to the server. Okay, now you can see Chandrasekhar agent is online.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay. On here, any confusion? Because
I
this
know.
follow all the steps follow on from here on
Now
here.
can you create a pipeline and use this agent?
Yes,
Just
yes, I do these things. Okay,
mm-hmm.
okay. So this I create this job on here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now go on here. Okay, now go to the pipeline, pipeline. Okay, create pipeline, and we have select the GitHub. Then SPNet code demo. I select this project on here. Okay, so we have change on here these things. These things we need to change, and we have pool is default. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this
You
pool
have
is
to give
default, but
you have
you
to
can,
give the as a name. Mm-hmm.
yeah, agent name and pool is default. Pool name
Mm-hmm.
is default, but before you can on here you can check image is window latest in the previous, if you remember, like on
Yeah.
here. Just you
Mm-hmm.
remember or I see.
Yeah. I
Oh,
remember.
so this change only. All code is same, nothing change, but only
Okay.
pool is change because I am creating the pool. I create
Mm-hmm.
the custom agent, and the custom agent create through the pool. We am doing on here. So on here we can write on your custom agent also. So on here we have BM image, uh, BM image. Uh, Name is what the name on the custom agent. Custom agent. What is custom agent? Um, Demo budget setting, agent pool, and inside the agent pool we have agent. Agent is Chandrasekhar. Copy this agent. Okay, now on here. This is change only setting. Nothing change on the code. When you're
Yep.
using the Microsoft agent, then same code is on here, same code. On create the custom agent, on their setting is change on there only. But on
Mm-hmm.
here, only two lines is change on here. And remaining code is same, no change. Okay, now run. Take the permit. You can see on here. The agent
Yep.
name is Chandrasekhar. Okay, this is agent name Chandrasekhar. And after running, then it will show on the pool default. This is a pool on here. Uh, Agent pool. This is a default pool.
Mm-hmm. Then what is the merits and demerits of using Microsoft hosted agent and custom agent, self-hosted agent?
Microsoft hosted agent is a chargeable. Pra- Chargeable.
Yeah, it's a, yeah, they charge money.
Yes,
Uh,
but this is a
and
not charging.
yeah, so what is the like advantage or disadvantage of using this?
This is one is advantage is a
S-
price.
yes, yes.
Second
So, no.
disadvantage second
S-
disadvantage is when you running the job on your system, then use the your compute power system. Okay, so this service will use the compute power of
oh,
your
from your
uh,
from a local computer.
correct local computer.
Oh, okay, okay, got it. Okay. So
Mm,
that means okay. So because this is using your own computer resources. Okay.
correct on computer.
But how you will share with other colleagues?
No, this if you want to create the server, if you want to create the on
Oh
your
yeah,
system,
servers. Then okay. Then
then
other people they can use it. Okay.
yeah, suppose that I want to create the on my
Mm-hmm,
system.
mm-hmm.
I use the server on my system. So for that
Okay.
purpose, we can use the custom agent.
Okay. Got it. So
Okay,
that means what we can do, we can create a separate VM and we can install that custom uh,
correct.
agent on that we can share with other colleagues so they can use the same server agent from there.
No,
Okay.
yes, server anyone. Suppose that I create the server on my system, then you can also use the my system. Okay, so suppose I create the VM and physical machine is just both thing is same.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a VM. It's a virtual environment, but this virtual machine is integrated with the physical machine. Okay, so
Yeah. That's what I'm
both
saying.
things is same.
It's linked to your computer.
Yes. Suppose that
Yeah.
I in my system, I create the
Hmm.
virtual machine in my system.
Yeah.
So that
Yeah.
virtual machine you are using,
Hmm.
and on your virtual machine, all things you are doing same things on my virtual my physical system.
Hmm.
So if you want to create the server on our system, so you can do the custom agent.
Okay.
So you can see on your default pool default
Hmm.
image Chansekar, agent Chansekar. Okay, these things on here. But on
Hmm.
their window latest, this is a Microsoft. If you are using the Microsoft agent, this is a difference on here. So now on here, go to the folder. We have code. Where is my code on here?
Hmm.
So inside the work, inside the one, and inside the A, inside the B. No. Okay, you can see this is my code.
Hmm.
Okay, this is my code on here. My code on the repo. But when I create the agent, I publish the
Hmm.
code, then my come code on in the my system. This is a agent is a server only I using on here. This come code
Yeah.
on here.
So now I have a question. So let's say you created this agent and you created the pipeline. Okay. So let's say you change the company, you move to another company. So then what will happen in this agent? So the other
Okay,
people
no,
they can
no, no,
access.
no, no. This actually this is a server. This is a company server. You cannot create the
Okay.
on you cannot create the custom agent on your system for the company project.
No, but this is sitting your C drive. See?
Yeah, this is a C drive. Okay, you can change in the another tab D drive.
Yeah. But let's say I'm saying let's say you change the company, you joined another company. Then what will happen to this agent?
Now, if you want to change the another company,
Mhm.
so
No,
on your
no, let's say
on
you change the your leave the company and join another company, you know. So in that case, the pipeline will what will happen to that pipeline because you use that custom agent that is related to your computer. See, is sitting this code are sitting to your C drive, local C drive.
yes,
So
your yes
s-
code is in
s-
your C drive. Yes,
yeah. So in that case, so what is the best practice? We should create a agent to local computer, or we have to create a separate VM for on a
yeah.
company portal, and we can
This is
deploy
a
everything
part of
there.
this is a part of the security. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Hmm.
for the company purpose, so company already security. He provide the own system. When you leave the company, then company laptop you need to left in the company be left in the
Hmm.
company laptop be left in the company, then move to the another company. If you
Hmm.
are on laptop and company using on your laptop and you are moving to the another company, then code is going with you.
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Because this is a server on your system.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So
Sure.
this is a custom agent. Okay, these things,
Hmm.
how to create the custom agent, how to use on your own system. Means this is a server. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's a
if you
virtual
want to,
machine.
if
Okay.
you, if you want to save the money, and if you want to create on custom agent, then you
Hmm.
can follow this practice.
Yeah.
Or if
So
you want to,
I can use the Windows, or also I can use Linux. Uh, isn't
yeah,
also I
for the
can use.
Linux
Yeah.
also you can use, but we have only
Hmm.
Windows, so you can on
Hmm.
here command just say check on here
Yeah. Hmm.
fault and agent and new agent. On here also command we have Mac OS,
Yeah.
Linux.
Mac.
This is command you can use.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds good.
Okay. So